Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the IR webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the IR webcam ribbon cable from the system board. Carefully separate the IR webcam from the adhesive on the camera frame and remove. Replacement. Insert the IR webcam ribbon cable into the IR webcam ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Place the IR webcam into position on the camera frame and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place.